Hey guys, it's Dan here. Just wanted to check in with you guys. I know I haven't put a video out in about 4 months, maybe 5. Um, but what we've been doing this summer is me and the wife, we sold the houseboat we had early this spring, and then, as everybody knows, the world went nuts with this pandemic. So we went and we bought another houseboat. This one we converted into a liveaboard. So that's been taking a lot of work and everything. Didn't have very good cell service, very limited internet. I've got all that fixed, so hopefully next year I'll be able to shoot some good videos from here on the houseboat. But for the most part, we moved on to this the first week of July and just moved off 2 weeks ago. Other than me and the dog every day went into town to take care of the chickens, take care of the house, do laundry, do all that other good stuff. But I took a bunch of pictures and everything, and I'd love to show you guys what I've been doing this summer. Don't know how I'm going to film back here yet next summer because I got limited space on this back deck. I did use the heck out of my 17-inch Blackstone this summer. I just bought a 22-inch, so next summer I'm going to have a 22-inch Blackstone on here. I'm going to replace this little grill. I don't know if you can see it. I got it hanging over the back. It's like 9 by 14. It's one of those little Weber cues. I'm going to figure something out. I don't have the deck space. I'll figure out how to hang it off the side of the boat, back of the boat, something like that. But now that I'm back at the house, I've got several good cooking ideas going in my head. Other than the fact that tomorrow is supposed to bring a snowstorm and everything, real soon I'm going to have a video out. Today, this is the Sunday after Thanksgiving, so probably not this coming Wednesday, probably a week from this coming Wednesday. I'm hoping to have something as soon as this snowstorm goes through and everything, get everything reset up on my back deck at the house. I do have a few ideas. Some of them are going to be Blackstone videos. I'm definitely going to get my cast iron Wednesdays going again. But hopefully you guys enjoy these pictures that I'll show you of how I spent my summer. This fall, did my annual trip down the Red River Gorge down in Kentucky. We went hiking, went to the Natural Bridge State Park down there, hiked to the top of Natural Bridge. Me and my family's been doing good, been staying healthy and everything. Hopefully yours has too. But here we go with the pictures, and you all have
Here's
a
look
day.
at the houseboat. It's a 45-foot long by 14 wide is what we got this year. You can see we have a front enclosure on it. The back deck's pretty small. It was tough to set up cooking. I don't know how I'm going to film. I apologize in advance. The back deck's a mess right now. When I filmed this, I was in the middle of winterizing the boat and everything, so I've got stuff scattered everywhere. But as you can see, these sunrises just gorgeous. The morning fog on the lake. The sunsets were beautiful. The moon just illuminating the water in the nighttime. It's just one of those things that, you know, I'm glad that we decided to do this. Can't wait for next year. We're going to move back on the boat for the summer next year. It's so good for the soul, especially for how crazy 2020's been. Looking at all the wildlife and everything, doing some fishing. It's just beautiful. And like I said, me and Ava, that's my puppy. We headed to town every day, took care of the chickens and all that good stuff. Right here, there's a picture of Ava. There's a picture right there of my cook setup, kinda. Yeah, I moved it around every time we cooked, but we did eat very well. That 17-inch Blackstone, and then, like I said, that little Weber cue that I had hanging off the back. We did very good eating. The boat does have a kitchen inside, but it just heats up the boat so much. I am looking forward to putting 22-inch Blackstone on the back. Right here's a few pictures of Mill Creek Lake. That's down in the Red River Gorge where we went hiking. We got so lucky this year. The leaves were almost at peak. We go down there every year. Some years it's past peak when we get there. Some years it's pre-peak. This year, the just colors were gorgeous. And hiking the natural bridge and all that, I mean, getting out in nature, hiking, I love it. It's just one of those beautiful things.